Hi students, if you are here, that means you are probably struggling with the assignment we began in class. So to recap, this will help you out and get you back onto the right track. So your assignment that we began in class was to fill out this project research guide on your selected country so that we can begin to do some analytical thinking and eventually create a thesis statement. And I have here that the country that I've selected is Lesotho. And up here it says to use the Factbook app or Cia.gov World Factbook. And that might be where you're having some struggles. So let's try to begin and see how we do. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open up a new tab. And then I'm actually just going to scissor it here so we can see both things. So if you remember the website, Cia.gov, great. If not, if you just type in CIA Factbook, it will be the first one that pops up. Yep, right there it is. And it's already going to take us to the fact book. And that's really what you want, is the fact book. And here we are going to scroll down to Lesotho as the selected country. Remember, you're doing your own country, whatever you selected, not this one. And here it is. It's going to pop up with all the information. So the first thing it says that we need is the capital. Now, I'm sure we can find it on here somewhere, but you know what I think. Look at the map, find the star. There's the capital, Maseru. So I'm going to type that in right there. And then it's going to ask for some major cities. And hopefully you'll remember that you can just go back to the map and type in some major cities. Or, of course, you can also Google the information. But let's skip down to some that might prove to be a little bit more difficult. So we'll start right about here where it says total area, coastline, arable land. The ones that say book, you guys can use your book. So where are we going to go to try to find some of this information? Well, you'll notice up here it says geography, and right here it also says geography. So that's going to be a good place to start. This little plus sign means that there's more information. So we're just going to click on it right there. And the first thing we're going to see is that it says area total, 30,355 square kilometers. So I can type that information right into here. 30,355 kilometers. It's pretty small for a country. You'll notice that it says coastline right here, 0, landlocked. That's a vocabulary name you should know. Arable land. I bet if we keep scrolling down, we will come up with arable land right here, 10.1%. So again, I would write that in there. Once you finish with the geography aspect, you'll notice it now comes up to where it says people. And if we go back up here, we can shrink geography. And right underneath that is people and society. So this is where we would click now for the information. And the first thing is population total, corresponds right here, population total. Now, not everything listed here is necessary for our project. So just go and look for it. You can scroll down until you find it. So you can see right here, we have birth rate, death rate, or you can even use the Control or Command F and do a search. So if I just type in infant mortality, it tells me there's a couple of different hits, and the one we want is where it actually has total male, female, and here it says total. And if you're remembering, okay, data, I understand to write that down, but what does country rank mean? It means if you go here, you'll see where it says country comparison to the world 38. That would be their rank. Not everything receives a rank. That's why you will see some N/A. It means not available or not applicable. So hopefully this will help you out on using the website that we've been using in class so you can fill out a good majority of the information so when you come back to class tomorrow, we can begin the next step. Thank you, and don't forget to email me if you have any questions.